Hello everyone, how to tours back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you an app review. It's really popular app. It's Google One, but maybe many people they don't know what is this. So Google One is the product of Google. Okay, so it's the combine, like it's the one kind of storage, cloud storage, but it's not free. You have to buy. Then you can get here you can see it's called Google One. Automatic photos backup, expanded storage for Drive, Gmail, photos, and more. So you can store all kind of files like Drive, Gmail, photos, and everything you can store here. So you can buy 50 GB to upper like 1 TB, 2 TB, and more. So the ratings of the 4.4 and 440k reviews, and this is really light app, 9.9 megabyte size, and 1 billion people already downloaded this app. So it's really cool. So we'll see some screenshot about this app. Just large file you can upload your footage, and here you can see you can upload your Google Drive, Gmail, Google Photos, device break, family storage. So you can store everything, and this person buy 100 GB of storage. So you can see you can buy a monthly package or annual package, so it's available there. So it's Google One, maybe it's default. You can see this in an Android phone, it's default. So yeah. So today's no more friend, and thank you for watching this video.